Package in the mail, and figured I'd open it up on the camera. What do we got here? Some kind of crazy. Oh, this is a pipe tool. Get this side open here. There we go. Took me like an hour to get that open. Very cool. I wasn't expecting a pipe tool, but now I see some pipe cleaners and a pipe. Right on. Thanks, man. I've been looking for these, and I went to the store, and they were like $7. There's no way I'm paying $7 for one. Awesome. Let me pause this. I've been smoking out of this giant thing of American Spirit, and I'm only halfway through, and I'm sick of rolling those cigarettes. So thanks, man. Appreciate that. Oh, he's even got some awesome stuff in there. Some cherry bomb. Raspberry. Oh, very cool. I definitely have some containers to put these in. I'll do like a little mini version of what he's got going on. He's got a cool card. Dang, that's a nice card. I like it. Dang, there's all kinds of tobacco in here. Very cool. Thanks, man. That's very appreciated. Got a couple of stickers. And I finally got my Clover Tac patch. So I'll open that up. Already I can tell it's cool. It's nice and it's nice and soft. Got a piece of the hook on the back, or loop on the back. Let's see if I can get into focus. Those details, very cool. Yeah, that's a wild patch. You can see the size of it. I like it. About 2.5 inches. That's a very good size for a patch. Right on, dude. Thanks for the patch. And the smoke. So, awesome. Can't wait to do the next live chat. I will have something better to smoke than my old roll your owns, and now I can try out some of these different flavors and whatnot. Very cool. Thanks again, man. And check Clover out over on his channel. And it's Friday, so I don't know if I'm getting this up tonight or not, but he's got a chat tonight. He's got chats on Wednesdays and Thursdays as well. I think he also does one on Monday if you're on Patreon. Alright, thanks again, Clover, for the awesome swag pack and the pipe. Digging it.